What's going on, everybody? Just got another smallmouth off a minnow, as you see. I'm gonna try to catch a couple more, see a bunch of them. All right. Hey, fellas, I caught this crawdad. Let me see if I can catch a bass off of him. Probably throw up into that eddy up there, see what happens. Let y'all know. Got a little smallmouth. A small one, little thing. I'll let y'all know if I catch something else. What's going on, fellas? Caught this nice smallmouth. Like 1.5 pounds. It's pretty big. I know he has some followers, so I'm gonna throw right back out there, see if I can catch me another one. I'll let y'all know on the next one. Nice little stud. Alright. What's going on, fellas? I just hooked into a decent one. At least a 2.5 pounder. This thing is nice. Right after I caught that other one. He followed the other one in. I didn't think I was gonna be able to catch him. But yeah. There be some big smallies over here in this creek, man. I'm telling y'all. Nice one. Old bronze back. Damn. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna let him go. He is at least 18 inches. So, guys, I got this little brook trout. It's the smallest little brook trout I done caught out of here. I'm gonna let him go. Got me another brook trout. Nicer one. He might come on home with me. I'll let y'all know if I catch anything else, though. Later.
Bro, it's a big turtle.
Get him on land.
He's a monster turtle. Ooh, that noise he made. Oh, he's not. He's trying to get away. Fight like hard, yo.
See if we can let him go. Alright, I got you, buddy. Hold on.
He's a big one.
Oh, shit.
It's a big turtle. He's not happy either.
Oh, he just bit that stick. So much more.
Oh, I think it might be. I think that hook's actually in the top of his mouth. Oh, he got his flipper or whatever wrapped around that lock.
But he's trying to pull it out too.
Bro, he's pulling it out himself. Bro, what the frick? Did you see that?
You get all that?
Yeah, I got all that.
Cool.
He was trying to pull it out himself.